So yeah, you're looking at my Victiv tripod, P10 tripod, that is, right? So, very unique product. Saw it on Amazon and I need one, so I decided to purchase it. So it arrived yesterday. Good. So we're gonna look at the tripod in a little more details. So, um, it's also used as a selfie stick, right? So first, look at the base locking knob, which is this knob right here. Underneath is the selfie stick locking knob, right? And these reels are made of aluminum, just lock, right? But let's look at the other parts as we go along. Right, so this column is known as the center column, right? And of course it can be adjusted. Right, these are the flipping locks, so you can always open them and make adjustments to the desired height that you need. Lock them once you're not using them. Okay. Um, of course, you have the neck portion, which allows you to rotate the knob at least 180 degree. I can screw it on. Next, we look at the place mounting right there, and you attach your phone, squeeze this knob, and place the phone, slide it. Mhm. Okay. Have this portion right there that flexible, allow you to attach the phone plate on it, and you move it wherever you want it to. Right. Point to note though, this tripod can extend to roughly 80 feet, right? And this control the camera. You control the camera. And the side here is like a button. You flip it to turn it on once you pair your phone with it, right? Bluetooth. Okay, simple in construction, easy to set up. Okay? You lock your knobs, right? And you also from here you can attach your phone with it. Let's rotate. I turn the knob. Good. Great. So my Victiv tripod is now set up and ready to use. So I like it, and I hope you all like it as well. Just remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. Right? I think it's a very good product, and it allows me to do recording free-handedly without have to have someone holding a phone in my hand or the device. Right?